Nice. Nice fixtures, too. This'll work.
Next, they see the master bedroom.
When you lie in this bed and you wake up every morning, look at this view. Wow. More solid walls, more beautiful trim. And what about the bathroom? Oh, it's identical. Identical to the other one? Good. Yeah. I saved the best for last, so come on, follow me. Is this not incredible? Wow, this is nice, Will. Now let me ask you this, though. Is this going to uphold to the Costa Rican rates that I hear about? Oh, yeah, it definitely will. So what do you think? It's nice. I like it. As far as the positives go, I like the construction in the property. A lot of the negatives that I see, though, is I don't know if I can live with the construction for another year. That's one of the things that I worry about. And we're kind of about 30 minutes out from Haku, you said, so that's one of the concerns that I do have. This is a little bit far, but it's absolutely just so tranquil out here. Well, I can tell you, the home inspector in me says this place is great, but the investor in me says let's go and let's look at something else.
Coming up, Michael's already on vacation time.
I can put out a grill out here, do some barbecues with me and the little one.
But what about the inspector?
Uh-oh. See this?
Ya vuelve. Va con tu cinturón. Cazadores de casa, ¿no? House hunters.
Nunca imaginaste tantas estrellas juntas.
Desde sus diseños hasta la alfombra, todo el vestidor de Kimura tiene un particular aire femenino.
Puedes guardar cualquier cosa, lapiceras, lápices, es como una especie de asistente, un pequeño escritorio. Tampoco es necesario que sea tan grande, puede ser de cualquier tamaño, solo necesitas que quepan tus cosas. Es el punto central de la habitación, esta es la isla. Oh, Dios mío. Zapatos, los zapatos son mis objetos preferidos. Dios mío. Cuando entras aquí, encuentras mucha diversión. Tenemos todos los zapatos en estantes. Aquí hay muchas botas guardadas en tus cajas para ahorrar espacio. Aquí están los zapatos de noche y también este sector está ordenado según el color. Es un bonito lugar. Mi vestido.
Wow.
Together, right?